bumalik ka na. That thing viral. No? Yeah, sabi ko, why the people are looking for somebody?
Kailan yun? Kailan yung binisita mo yung sunog? Anong buwan?
I think July or August.
Pero Yorme, kahit nasabihin po natin na nanggaling sa mga tao yung bumalik ka na, nung natalo po kayo during the 2022 presidential race, I know you had your own TV show.
Yeah.
Wala ho ba dun sa pakiramdam mo na, just to be honest, that you wanted to come back?
No.
Kasi medyo nabitin din yung iyong
No,
pagka-mayor
not
sa
really,
Manila.
because I trust her. I really trust them. All of them, including those two congressmen who were your guests, I think a few weeks ago. All of them, I really trusted them that they will do their job because, modesty aside, ninurture ko naman lahat sila eh. Lahat naman sila participated. I did not govern on my own or capriccio lamang. I tried to involve them and nurture and hone them to do service. Siyempre, nung nawala na ako, medyo okay lang naman yung mag-iba ng kaunti kasi gusto mo na sarili mong, what you call branding or sarili mong pagkakilala. But yourself is, kumbaga di mo naman kailangan pasikatin ang sarili mo. Kusa ka naman sisikat kung nagtrabaho ko naman talaga at nagtatrabaho ka talaga. Naturally, people will love you. Remember, wala namang gastos talaga ang boto. Ang boto, ibinibigay ng tao base sa resulta ng trabaho mo. No? And a lot of things were not continued. So, I think that is the ng konsepto nung resulta, overwhelming result nung boto.